augered all my holes now. A couple of them just need a clean out with the shovel. But they're all augered, all 14 of them. All the way up to that corner, all the way down to the excavator down there. So that's me for the day. I'm going to start bit coating some posts, which I'll show you, painting some posts and bugging around with some heights, and we'll be ready for concrete. Let's get into it.